Okay guys, so I missed the $5 Dollar Tree DIY challenge for some reason. It is the day of and it is around 5:30 p.m. So I'm going to try to make one and get the video out for you. So hang on, I'll show you what I got. I have this wreath that I'd spray painted previously. It is from the Dollar Tree, $1. I'd already unpackaged all of these because I was planning on doing this at some point, but there are 4 packs right here of these snowflakes. So, hold on. So, there's the 4 empty packs, and that's a total of $5. So, I've already spent my $5. Let's see what I can do with it. Oh, I forgot. This challenge is hosted by Drea with Clueless Mama D and Rhea with Rhea's World of Ideas. Check out their channels below. Also check out the playlist so you can see what all the other creators have come up with. Now let's get to it. Okay, let's get this party started. $5 Dollar Tree party. All right, first I'm gonna lay it out on the wreath, see how I want it. But this aggravating part is I'm gonna have to cut all these little hangers off. I'll let you hold while I do that because I know you don't want to sit and watch me do that. So, hang tight. Okay, I have all the little hangers cut off. So now let's place it on the wreath and see how we're gonna lay it out. So I'm not going to lay it all out and take it apart. I'm just going to start hot gluing it down. Let's see what we come up with. Sorry about all that background noise. If you look on one side, it looks like it's raised a little bit, so I'm trying to do it on the flat side. It seems to be sticking better on this wreath if I use the flat side. Okay, they stuck. I didn't think they were going to stick very well, but they did. I'll leave the small ones for last. Now I'm just going to kind of stagger it in between. Ooh, that worked out perfectly. And so now I just have the small ones left. Ouch. Hot glue, hot glue, hot glue alert. Okay, I'm being silly, guys. Just got off work. Saw Drea's $5 challenge on and was like, oh no, how did I miss that? I knew about it. I haven't been writing my schedule down and that's a mistake. So I'm gonna have to get back on track with that. Oh, and while I'm thinking about it, I want to invite you guys to my Thrift It to Gift It collaboration. The upload date for it is December 3rd. And this is the special Christmas edition. I started doing this back in the summer, and I'll be doing it quarterly. So I will link the video up here somewhere and then in the description box below. So check it out, and if you can join, I would love to have you. And if you do, thank you for your support. If you just watched, thank you for your support on that. Okay, I think we've completed it. $5. I think it turned out cute. I'm gonna put a little hanger on the back using some twine. Just gonna make a small hanger because I really don't want to see the hanger. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'll hang it on the door, which my door is white, so see if I can find somewhere else to hang it so you guys can really see how it looks. So I will be right back with the display. Okay, so here it is on a white door. You can't really see it that well. The outside of this door is red, so I'm going to take it outside and show it to you out there. Just a second. Okay guys, it's dark outside, so I hope this is picking up. It looks pretty good on my end anyway. Oh, it's cold out here too. So here it is, $5 Dollar Tree DIY. Thanks Drea and Rhea for hosting this challenge. Guys, be sure to check out their channels and check out the playlist to see what everyone else came up with. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you to my subscribers for your support. Thanks to everyone who's watching. And I'm freezing, so I will see you in my next video.